What's up? It's your boy Gears. Gears of Snore. Remember that game I was telling you about? Head up the old butt. Yeah, well, I was supposed to leave my house 10-15 minutes ago, and this glove right here, I couldn't find it.
Oh, wrong. Try again, dumbass.
I couldn't find it because I left it on the dining room table and was looking for it in my room where I found the right glove. Yeah, you know, what's going on here? It's not one thing, it's another, right? Heading to Bikes and Breakfast to meet up with one of my co-workers, maybe two of them, I don't know. Bob, if you don't show up, you're going on a PC Monday. That never gets old. As you can see, my mirrors are quad lock free, and that's because someone bought a quad lock that goes on the mirror, but then again, head up the rear, someone discovered they don't have a adjustable wrench to take the mirror off. Oh wow, I never knew it was no turn on red here. I'm like, whoa, what the hell is... I don't know if you can see, but someone got some Indie Ridge boots. Initial impressions, you do have to wear them. You have to wear them around the house and break them in. They're a little stiff initially. So I wore these a couple hours. I was walking around the house. They're very nice, man. They're very comfortable. Like I said, though, you got to break them in. Captain Insano here, with all his windows tinted, one cracked, smoking the weed. Man, we better calm it down. I am a little underdressed as usual, but I got a jacket with me just in case. Seriously, guys? No, thank you. I have the noisiest helmet known to man on. This is a Simpson Ghost Bandit. Oh, a little bucket. But yeah, off to Bikes and Breakfast, almost there. I took the long way because I like my motorcycle. And hopefully it likes me. My motorcycle is a 2024 Harley Davidson Pan America. If you're watching some of my older content, I had a lowrider ST and I rode this bike, man, and I fell in love with it. This engine is something else. Take a right here. Show you guys the mud submarine, the USS Ling. See if I get you guys a good look at it. See it? Stuck in the mud. If you think I'm wound up now, wait till I have coffee number 2. Squeeze in next to this Goldie. Craig's here yet. I'll bring you back in a little bit. Get my coffee on. Taking a ride back with Pete, leaving bikes and breakfast. That's a good boy. Decent turnout today, man. It is windy as hell today. Initial thoughts on these Indie Ridge. Dude, this is a comfortable freaking boot. I am very happy with them. I'm very happy with my Pan America 2 that just hit 362 miles. If you like my videos, if you could give it the thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. It's funny, I have some lowrider ST content. I just put a video out, got like 10 views. I'm like, oh, jeez, what's the matter with the lowrider ST? But if you subscribe to Indie Ridge's mailing list, they give you like 10% off. So these were like $195. I think I got them for $170 something. They're the ventilated ones with the gum sole. I like the gum sole. I wish they'd do a white sole. We used to ride our dirt bikes along the train tracks here. Pick up a wrench to put my quad lock on the mirror. But yeah, short video, initial impressions. Like I said, these Indie Ridge. I was walking around in them at Bikes and Breakfast. They're very comfortable. They don't fit like a boot. You know, they're not uncomfortable like a boot. But when you walk in them, it's weird. Doesn't feel like a sneaker, but you have protection should you need it. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one.